Hi everyone, my name is Robert Cain and welcome to my course, An Introduction to the Azure Data Migration Service. I'm the owner of Arcane Training and Consulting, a book author, and content creator for Pluralsight. More and more companies are moving their databases to the cloud, specifically into Azure SQL databases. To aid in this effort, Microsoft has released the Azure Data Migration Service, a service that can make moving your database, be it SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, or many more, to the Azure platform much easier. In this course, we're going to migrate a simple on-premises SQL Server database into an Azure SQL database. Some of the major topics that we will cover include performing database assessments using the Azure Data Migration Assistant, migrating your database schema to an Azure SQL database, creating an Azure Data Migration Service, then within that service a project to migrate your data from an on-premises database to an Azure SQL database. By the end of this course, you'll be able to migrate your own databases up to the Azure SQL platform. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal, the SQL language, and just a little bit of PowerShell. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about data migration with the Introduction to the Azure Data Migration Service course here at Pluralsight.